Thank you for coming in my YouTube channel BloggingMantra. In this video, I will show you how I am how I am getting or how I am earning from my blog website through Popular Ad. Monthly $2, $3, $4 per month. So in this video, I will show you practically video. Always I am making practically video for you, so better understand you. So how to get earning from your blog website. This earning from my one of my website is bloggingmantramovie.com. This is fully for movie related website, and this website I'll always put related to Bollywood movie, Hollywood movies, web series, South Indian movie, upcoming movie, and TV series. Okay, and in this website you will find movie reviews just like Indian movie, Hollywood movie, and Bollywood movies, web series, and all of that. And I have put this website to Popular Ad. My website is connected with the Popular Ad. You will find my Popular Ad dashboard, and this mantra movie is connected and approval. Okay, so this daily basis earning I am getting from Popular Ad $2, $1, $1.5, like that. And up to now I getting payment from 7, I think 10 or 11 times. $20 is minimum payout I have getting from. I'm getting this payout from Popular Ad through Pioneer account. So bank transfer with Pioneer bank transfer. So weekly I getting the $21, $23, $20, $20, $20, and up to now I just making this blog in related to movie, and just 3 month old my movie website, just 3 month old I have, and I am getting good amount of earning from this website. And I have put there also is Amazon affiliate link also. If you try to sign up from my Amazon link through Prime account, if you get a Prime account 30 days free. So just click this Amazon link through, and you will get 30 days free trial, and I will get $3 from your sign up. You will find here also I am getting one sign up from this my website through $3 I will get from Amazon Prime free trial. If you just sign up from free trial, so I will get a $3 from you. So this is a very good idea if you want to make money from movie related website or any other movie related website. So just go to Popular Ad and get connected with Popular Ad, and it's a very good Google AdSense alternative. And I always suggest you please sign up with Popular Ad. Don't go with Google AdSense, because the Google AdSense not approve your website if you are using illegal content or movie related content. So better than you have to go with the Popular Ad. And I'll show you all my payment proof. And last payment I get 5 at 2021, just just 7 days before I get $20 amount, and just $7 already I get. And this $20 minimum payout whenever is get from $20 I will get payout from Popular Ad. So this is very good Google AdSense alternative. If you have any question or any doubt, just put one comment in my YouTube channel, so I will get in touch with you. And this program is referral program. If you get sign up with my link, so you will get fast approval from my side. And you will see there is a lots of people is sign up with my link through, so I will get a commission from 5% commission from their revenue. So this is very good program. If you want to earn money from online, you have to get one website, and whenever you have, just go to one blogging and make one website in movie related, and just get from my this link through sign up with Propeller Ad, and you will definitely get a good amount of earning. So this is a short video. If this video is valuable for you, just like my video, and if you have any doubt, any query, just comment me. I will get in touch with you. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. I will always make video for you with the practically video. I will definitely make for you. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.